Hi, everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can join to a meeting through Zoom app. Zoom app is a popular app during this coronavirus time period because all the students studying online studying via this app. All the teachers are using, all professionals are using. As we all know, this app usage is very high, and this is a very easy app to conduct classes and meetings. Therefore, I will simply explain you how we can join to this join a meeting via this app. You need to simply type join Zoom meeting in this search engine. Then Zoom meeting, click Zoom meeting. Then here there's a word calls join the meeting. This tab you need to click. This is the tab. Join a meeting. Then you have to enter meeting ID. The meeting organizer should share the meeting ID to the relevant participants. That is a number. This meeting has organized by me, and I have copied my that meeting ID. I will paste it here. For you, the meeting organizer will send this number. Then simply click this here, join. When you are clicking join here, simply open Zoom meeting. And you need to click this one also. Then you can join to the meeting, because I have scheduled this meeting in this computer. That's why this screen is not coming. If you are joining this meeting in another screen, another computer, this is coming to your screen. This is the simple way to join a Zoom meeting. I think this is very clear for you, and this will be very helpful you to join for Zoom meetings and Zoom classes. Thank you. Ayubowan.